Hey guys! So today I'll be showing you how I make my cerase tea and some of the benefits you can get from drinking cerase tea. In this kettle, I have some dried cerase. Cerase is a plant native to Africa and the Middle East. It is scientifically known as Momordica tarantia. In Jamaica, cerasee is a very popular herb. The leaves are usually boiled or drawn into a tea and taken for a number of ailments, including hypertension, parasitic worm, detoxification, high cholesterol, belly pain, and constipation. Cerasee tea is also good for the skin. It is popularly known as the blood cleanser. Cerasee tea helps in rashes, acne, sores, and skin ulcer. Drinking bitter melon tea improves blood circulation and nourishes the skin too. You may be wondering, how do I use Cerasee detox? If you do not have the leaves, boil water for the cerasee tea bags to steep. Add in ginger once boiling. Add honey and enjoy.